Does your WordPress website take ages to load and you want to speed it up? Well, you're not alone. Hey there, I'm Anna at 10web, a managed WordPress hosting platform powered by Google Cloud. And in today's video, I'm going to share 10 practical tips you can use to optimize the speed of your WordPress website. By the way, if you're interested in more topics like website speed, website hosting, or WordPress in general, subscribe to our channel. We also have a 14-day free trial with no credit card required on 10web.io, so if you want to test out the best managed WordPress hosting, you can check it out. If you're too lazy to watch all the 10 tips, guys, don't worry. I'm going to share the easiest way to optimize your WordPress website in 2020 right away. So the easiest way to speed up your WordPress website is 10web exclusive speed optimization feature. We at 10web guarantee that any website hosted at 10web and built with one of our templates gets an automatic 95 plus PageSpeed Score. This is a fully automatic solution with 50 aspect components like smart hosting configuration, image optimization and lazy load, JS and CSS minification, and much more. Also, you can migrate your website to 10web with just one click and automatically create an optimized copy of your website hosted at 10web with a 95 plus PageSpeed Score. Looks cool, right? So now, guys, let's go to the first tip. Number 1. Choose a good and reliable WordPress host. Before you even think about optimizing your WordPress website, ask yourself this question. Is my site hosted on a good web host? Because there is nothing more important for speed than choosing the right hosting provider. Remember that shared hosting is not a good option because sharing a server with other websites can lead to clogging of CPU and RAM. If you want to know more details on why you shouldn't choose shared hosting, I will put a video in the description so that you can check it out later. Choose a hosting provider that keeps your site data on cloud, has uptime of 99.99%, and uses Nginx, fast CGI caching, Linux containers, and newest versions of PHP to reach ultimate website speed. In other words, go with 10web or other cloud hostings like WP Engine or Kinsta. Number 2. When it comes to selecting themes and templates, you should keep in mind a simple truth. It is better to go with the simplest and lightest template or theme, as the minimalism is definite winner here. Don't just base your decision on aesthetics. You also should consider templates that are SEO friendly, responsive and optimized for mobile, integrated with drag and drop builders, and compatible with other plugins and service factors. For your information, we at 10web provide 40+ designer-made and mobile-friendly templates. They are integrated with Elementor, the most popular web page builder for WordPress websites, so you can easily customize whichever part you want. Number 3. Use CDN, Content Delivery Network, which is basically a network of geographically spread out servers. CDN provides with better loading and protects your site from hackers and malware attacks. But not all the websites need to use CDN. You only need to use CDN if you are managing a high-traffic website. And the most popular CDN services for WordPress 2020 are Cloudflare, Max CDN, Amazon AWS, and Key CDN. At 10web, we suggest using CDN only in the case if the site visitors are from around the world. Another tip is caching. And what is caching all about? It's simply when data is stored on the visitor's hard drive when they visit the site for the first time, and when they visit the site for the second time, the data loads significantly faster. Most good providers offer caching services, but if you're still using a host that doesn't, don't worry. You can use a lot of third-party plugins like WP Rocket, W3 Total Cache, or WP Super Cache. If you're a 10web user, caching service is activated by default. Tip 5 is the image optimization. Needless to say, images are the most engaging content of your website, but images also tend to be pretty heavy. Therefore, you need to use automatic image optimization. Image optimization is when you make the images lighter without changing its quality in any way noticeable to the human eye. The good thing about most image optimization services is that they let you automatically compress images you upload to your WordPress website. By the way, 10-Web Image Optimizer comes for free, and you can also convert images to WebP format for supporting browsers. Tip number 6. Never underestimate the power of the right diagnosis. Depending on how often you change your website in a way that matters, you need to perform regular checkups. For example, if you're at the very beginning of your journey, you need to check up your website once a week. But if things are more or less settled with your website, you can check up your site performance just once a month. Minify scripts. When writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts, developers usually use comments, spacing, and well-named variables to make both the code and the markup readable. It's supposed to help others who may later work on the project. While it's a certain plus in the development phase, lengthy scripts are inconvenient when it comes to serving your web pages. Well, you see, servers and browsers can read file content without comments and well-structured code, which creates unnecessary network traffic with no functional benefit. That's why it is common practice to minify scripts. While you may minify the codes yourself manually, it is recommended that you use one of the many plugins specially created for that purpose. Minification can reduce file size by around 60%, greatly accelerating your site as a result. Another tip is to reduce comments per page. Sure, it's a great thing to get a lot of attention in the comment section of your blog post, but a lot of comments can also slow down your website. So if you want to reduce the comments shown per page, go to Settings, then choose Discussion, and choose the box that says Break Comments into Pages. The default is 50, but you can choose any number of comments shown per page. My next tip to you is don't embed video directly. There's no way you can upload a video to your homepage without losing speed. If you embed the video directly to your WordPress interface, you will use up too much bandwidth every time the video is played, and this will decrease the load speed of your server. And even if you decide to add a video via YouTube or Vimeo or another third-party service, you'll be adding 7 extra calls for the video. So don't use a video on your landing page unless you absolutely have to. And the last tip for you guys today is don't embed Google Maps. Keep in mind that a page with a Google Map will get 20 Google Map related requests out of 84 it receives. That's definitely half a second more loading time. If you can save Google Maps as a JPEG or a PNG and upload it to your Contact Us page, that will definitely save your visitors 30 valuable seconds of waiting time. So guys, that's it for today. If you have missed any tip or want to review them again, I have left timestamps in the description so that you can go back and check them. And remember that you can use 10-Web Speed Optimization feature to have your peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to sign up for our 14-day free trial with no credit cards required and speed up your WordPress website, ensuring 95+ PageSpeed Score. Also, if you come up with some other tips, you can share with us in the comments down below. Take care, and I'll see you in another video.